This is what full-blown dermatitis looks like, and most dog owners miss the signs. Red, inflamed skin, constant scratching, bald patches, and bloody paws. It spreads fast, and it hurts. You might think it's just dry skin or seasonal allergies, but by the time it looks like this, your dog is already in pain. That's why we created AniWell Itch Relief Formula, a powerful daily chew that works from the inside out to heal, soothe, and stop the itch. Packed with turmeric, helps calm itching and reduce redness. Calendula helps speed up skin healing and soothes flare-ups. Aloe vera cools hot spots and hydrates dry skin. Krill oil deeply nourishes skin and restores coat health, backed by real results from real dog parents. They've tried everything, and this is what finally worked. If your dog's still scratching, this is your sign. Tap below to give them the relief they deserve.